Hello there, today I'm going to be reviewing this really great portable fan. I love that it's rechargeable and includes the USB-C cord. It also has two different lanyard options. Right away you can tell it's really high quality. It charges really quickly, which I appreciate. It's 180-degree foldable and can be placed on a desktop, which is super convenient. It's really easy to fill this chamber with water, and this little travel water bottle is included as well. Simply tap the side button to power it on, and there are 3 different speeds. I like that the fan is strong but quiet. This would be perfect for theme parks or summer sports. Here I'm going to quickly show you the 2 different lanyard options. This is a wristlet. Super easy to install, which I love. And here we have a nice lanyard to wear it around your neck. It's really lightweight and comfortable to wear around. To turn on and off the water spray feature, simply double tap the button. This is so refreshing and keeps you cool on a hot day. I highly recommend this awesome fan.